Wórld Igbo Congress, they say they don't call the Nigeria government to say make they try to make sure say they leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say they don't tell the Supreme Court to say make sure say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go in house come 15. No be small thing as that one they happen. They say that the white people don't they surprise say how people where they give £10 take survive come create more millionaires and billionaires inside them. Because of this, so they are not learning how Igbo people tell they do business and tell they teach each other business for inside Igbo. No be small thing. We go find out how this thing take start to and how it take they happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If this is not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Will they here they bring you update back to back as it they hot. Your own matter now to share this video and make sure say you they follow this page and don't forget to turn notification bell so that you gonna get our update back to back as it they hot. You don't follow our Facebook page, may you do so. Okay my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say that the Wórld Igbo Congress don't call Nigeria court, which is the Supreme Court, say may they try to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Wórld Igbo Congress urge Nigeria Supreme Court to release IPOB leader Friday. Say Igbos see Kanu controversial as a discrimination against Igbo. No be small thing, no. I'm breaking down where our people understand the grammar where they speak for inside this place. They say that Wórld Igbo Congress, so they don't tell the Nigeria government to say make they make sure say of come on Friday say they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said the way they be now, say Igbo they see the holding of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for inside that place. He said that one now be like say now said that they discriminate, they look them down. That's why they still hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for inside that place. So now waiting they go on now. Let's quickly jump into the next matter when we get for our hand though. They say for inside the United States now, say the US has, he said they don't vote, say may they come out their president will be Joe Biden for inside that place. This one now waiting they happen for inside Obode America. No be small thing. Let's jump into the next matter. They say that the way Igbo people take survive for inside after the katakata will happen for inside Biafra and Nigeria. They say that the white people can't they imagine how come these people be able to live with £5 after the Nigeria government can't give them. They say that that £5 now where they give them, I say they can't imagine they enter inside the Alaba international market, can't investigate. They want to know how Igbo people take survive. And today they finally get the answer. He said that the way we be say they call him boy, but this one other way they say we will go serve Oga go settle us, then we go start our own business. They say that in a great thing we lift Igbo people up for inside that katakata will happen. He said till today, nasty they carry Igbo people they go. But our biggest surprise now, our young boys of these days are no longer interested. And this is our downfall. If you like, take it or not. They say that now they are not studying it to know how they can also use it. Because they say katakata goes to meet Europeans and the Americans. With these things where they happen for Africa, because the growing of Africa is also the falling of the other side. You know. Okay my people, let's watch this analysis and also this video so that you go know how they take talk and how they go on. Watch the video together with me before we come back and continue.
People, apprenticeship system of the Igbo people in Nigeria is currently being studied globally. It is currently being studied internationally. Why is it being studied? It is currently being studied because it has been proven to be sustainable. So whether you are an Igbo or not, whether you are an Hausa, whether you are Yoruba, I want you to watch this video. Because why? The Igbo's apprenticeship system, which is a skill-based learning, has been proven over the years to be very sustainable. While it hurts me so much that we live now in a generation where people are no longer interested in apprenticeship, where people are no longer interested in acquiring skills, where people are no longer interested in learning what they need to learn in skill, in character, and in learning in order to be self-sufficient. The members of the international very video, you know, our fathers in the past, our forefathers, our ancestors, were the people who initiated this apprenticeship, you know, program, this profession-based, you know, education system, or this vocational training kind of, or this apprenticeship system, whereby an Igbo man who is successful in business and in trade will go to the village, pick up another young Igbo man or Igbo woman, and take him or her to the city or to his business location, and begin to teach him the skills he requires to become a master in that business. You know, in the years past, some people spend 7 years, some people spend 9 years, some people spend 6 years, some people spend 5 years, some people spend 4 years, depending on the agreement that is reached between the parents of the child and the business owner. A lot of successful Igbo men and women you see today passed through this very apprenticeship program, this very education-based system, where people are trained not only in trade, people are trained in skill, in character, and in learning. People are trained how to be patient. People are trained how to persevere. People are trained how to endure. That is why I said people are trained in character and in learning. And when they are settled, when they become masters and bosses of their own, you see them doing perfectly well. But unfortunately, our youth today want to become rich overnight. So many people no longer want to learn businesses. So many people no longer want to learn trade. So many people don't want to learn any skill that will be sufficient for them. All they want is for money to fall from sky, and then they will become rich overnight. Some people, the moment now they take them to their master, they will start stealing money from their master, playing Bet Naija, playing Babi Ijebu, all in a drive to become rich overnight. And it saddens me. For those of you who do not know, this apprenticeship program has been on in Germany for ages. Yes, in Germany it is called Ausbildung. Yes, it's a vocational training or apprenticeship. It is also another type of profession-based education, where people are trained specifically on the job, where people learn the skill they require to do that job. You'll find Ausbildung in different disciplines in Germany, whether in engineering, whether in sciences, whether in arts, whether in commerce, whichever. You must find a spot, a placement to undergo this vocational training or this apprenticeship in Germany. And when these people come out, you see them doing very well practically in the industry. This apprenticeship program or Ausbildung in Germany has helped the country to sustain their talent. It has helped the country, you know, to also train and integrate talent into suitable industries where the country needs specialities, where the country needs professionals. This is similar to the Igbo's apprenticeship system, which has been on for ages. It saddens me that young people no longer want to embrace this very profession-based education. I tell you most solemnly, if you are a young man, do not take the Igbo's apprenticeship program for granted. It will go a long way to help you. When I was in the secondary school, when I closed from school, I usually eat my lunch, take a shower, and go to the shop and join my brother in his business. Over the years, it has actually helped me to learn one or two things. It has actually helped me to learn endurance, perseverance, and also how to strategize and some other business ideas. And that was why at some point in my life, I was also an e-commerce vendor with Jumia Nigeria. I know how much I made from Jumia Nigeria as an e-commerce vendor. If I did not acquire some of those business skills while going to the shop to help my brother, I may not have had the opportunity to excel when I became an e-commerce vendor with Jumia and so many other offline businesses that I was privileged to engage in. So as you hear my voice, do not take these things for granted. It is really very important. If you have an opportunity of a man or a woman who will grant you the privilege to be trained under him or her, Take that opportunity and learn something significant for your life. As you watch this video, I tell God beg you. Drop your opinion, drop your comment, and share this video with another person. God bless you.
Yeah, my people, share the video and also leave your own opinion in comment section. Make sure that you follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.